Hello and welcome, I'm David Lozada and this is your Noontime Wrap. Senator Grace Poe is set to attend the Supreme Court oral arguments over two cases originating from the Commission on Elections, which seek to stop her from running for president. The two COMELEC cases sought the cancellation of her candidacy on the ground that she is not a natural-born Filipino. She lost these two cases. Solicitor General Florin Hilbay is tasked to give his position on the two cases, despite his prior stand not to represent COMELEC. Commissioners Arthur Lim and Rowena Guanzon will represent the full body. Follow Rappler.com for continuing updates. The Philippine Senate approves bills raising government worker salaries and granting the 100-day maternity leave for working women. 19 senators approved the Salary Standardization Law, which seeks to raise salaries of all government officials and employees. The compensation package includes an average 27% increase in the basic salary, an 8% increase in the mid-year 14th month pay, and an enhanced performance-based bonus system. Senators also voted 19-0 for the expanded maternity leave law of 2015. According to the bill, working women will be granted a maternity leave of 100 days, with full pay based on her average weekly or regular wages, regardless if the delivery was normal or cesarean. ISIS appears to be communicating over its own chat app. Counterterrorism network Ghost Security Group says ISIS developed its own Android app, Al-Rawi. It also has its own propaganda distribution app, Amaq Agency. Ghost Security says Al-Rawi has encrypted communications features. Al-Rawi is not available on Google Play, but must be installed manually. That's the Noontime Wrap. I'm David Lozada. Join us again at 6 p.m. for today's top news.